On this panel you will feel the power of CAD on Alpha. Let's see all commands found on Architecture panel in detail. Doors and Windows commands. Require first to draw the walls that form your spaces. Single door is the most common door type. This is a parametric tool to draw single action doors in plan. Start a new drawing. Make wall layer. And draw walls to form room spaces. Run the single door command, and you are prompted to touch reference intersection, where to place the door. Then show direction to draw the door. Touch opposite line, to specify wall thickness. Accept distance from reference point previously picked, or type new value. Door is drawn at reference point, face on wall first picked, and on a new layer called A doors. You may type MD, to reverse sight on wall, or type MMD, to flip opening side. MD and MMD parameters are applied only for the last door, at any time. When you run door command for the first time, door width is set to 1 meter. Type W, to see your second choice of door width, or type new value, say 1.2 meters. The door is drawn with the new width, which remains as default for the next doors, until you change width value again. Draw any single door, in 3 clicks.